Hi friends, my name is Carrie and today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful glam makeup look using the Kajal pencil from Brow Bar by Reema. I love the Kajal pencil because it is so versatile. You can create very simple looks or dramatic glam looks like this one. It's perfect to be used in the waterline and as eyeliner, and it's going to give you the deepest black liner that you could want. Keep watching to learn how to get this look and make sure you guys head to Brow Bar by Reema to get yours today. Let's start off today's look with your regular foundation, concealer, and powder. Excuse the powder that's under my eyes. I am leaving the powder there so that if we get any fallout later, we'll be able to brush it right off at the end. But next we are moving on to our brows, and I will be using the Brow Bar by Reema microblade pen. And we are going to start with the flat end and go in the direction of your brow hairs, starting upward in the front, and then you start curving as you move outward. I like to go in with the Bombshell Brow Gel after and brush my hairs upward and outward. The last step for our brows is cleaning up underneath, so we're going to take some concealer or brow lift and go under to give a nice clean line. We are starting with the Hollywood Icon Face Kit BH Nude and just taking this light shade here. We're going to pack that under the brow. Next up, this is where the star of the show comes in, the Kajal pencil. We're starting at the base of the lashes. We're just going to take a nice little brush here and blend that out a touch. Next, we are going to continue drawing our shape in. Back into the BH Nude palette, we're taking this brown. Take the contour shade in the BH Nude palette and we are going to blend out some of the eyeshadow. We're going along the edges of the Kajal pencil. We're going to define a little bit more with the Kajal pencil and go in again. Of course, we need some glitter for this full-on glam look, so we're going to apply that next to the lids. We are taking this shimmery highlight here, and in between the brown and the glitter, we're going to tap a little bit of that on, and it's going to give a gorgeous copper color. Now that our glitter is done, we are going to get rid of this excess powder. We're going to add this contour shade here under the eye. We're going to add a little bit of the darker brown. And then my favorite part with the Kajal pencil, we are going to take it and go in our upper waterline and our lower waterline to give a nice black smoky finish. This time with the top winged eyeliner, we are not going to blend it out, so it's going to stay a nice solid black. If you have ever looked for a solid black eyeliner for your waterline, the Kajal pencil is definitely it. We are almost finished with the eyes, but I'm going to jump over and do some contour and highlight on the rest of my face. You can use your BH Nude Hollywood Icon Face Kit. Alrighty, after a little mascara, we are going to put on our Drama Queen lashes. I love these so much, and they are big and perfect for a dramatic look like this one. Everything is almost done, but we got our last step, the Rodeo Rouge beautiful red lipstick. I love this lip collection because it's so creamy. Thank you all so much for watching. I cannot wait to see what looks you come up with the Kajal pencil.